From the time I started fly fishing until now, I've really noticed that the amount of times where our streams get low, but also warm, seems to be increasing with kind of alarming frequency. Historically, there were large beaver complexes in a lot of these meadows, and those beaver complexes had dams that were quite large and would have been fisheries in their own right. So we can get kind of a double benefit if we're able to restore these enough that beavers come back. We're going to create new fisheries in places that haven't been fisheries for potentially the last 50 years. But also, by making these headwater systems healthier, we're providing water downstream that's both more plentiful and colder and cleaner. And so we're getting the benefit of A, we might make new fisheries in the near future, but B, we're supporting the fisheries downstream that we already fish on a regular basis. Once I started reading about some of these techniques and how low-tech they are and hands-on they are, it really felt like a great opportunity for us to get involved, be actually involved in the construction of the structures, but also put some effort into the long-term viability and resiliency of our streams in the Black Hills. Anything that we can get involved in to make that resiliency and make sure that these systems stay around for as long as possible is super important to us.